Botox costs $300, lasts 4 months, then you're paralyzed again. I'm about to show you one oil that costs $8, works in 6 weeks, and the results don't disappear. Dermatologists won't talk about this, because this one oil does what Botox does. Without the needle, without the paralysis, without the addiction. Why Botox fails? The real problem. Botox paralyzes the muscle that creates wrinkles. That's literally it. Your face can't move. 4 months later, boom, the paralysis wears off. Your wrinkles come back. Worse than before, actually, because your facial muscles atrophied while they were frozen. So you need more Botox higher doses. It's by design. It's addiction. $300 every 4 months? That's $1,500 a year. $6,000 over 5 years. For something that makes your problem worse in the long run. There's a compound in castor oil called ricinoleic acid. It doesn't exist anywhere else in nature. This acid does 3 things. 1, it penetrates all 3 layers of your skin and signals your body to produce collagen. 2, it reduces inflammation so fast that wrinkles literally start flattening within days. 3, it hydrates so deeply that your skin plumps from inside, not from surface hydration, from actual structural rebuilding. When skin is plump and hydrated, wrinkles disappear. Not because they're gone, because the skin around them is full. That's what Botox does through paralysis. Castor oil does it through actual healing. How castor oil works. Ricinoleic acid crosses the dermal barrier and wakes up fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen. Your body doesn't just hydrate the wrinkle, it rebuilds the tissue underneath it. That's permanent. That's why it works. It also increases blood flow to your face. Better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrients, more repair. Your skin literally becomes alive again. The glow people ask about? That's not makeup, that's increased blood flow. Castor oil activates your immune system within 2 hours. Your body starts cleaning up dead skin cells, damaged collagen, all the debris that makes you look old. It's like a reset button. You apply it every night. Your skin might feel tight. That's the healing starting. You might see mild redness if your skin is sensitive. That's normal. That's your body responding. Week 3. Fine lines start softening. The ones between your brows, the ones around your eyes. You notice it in the mirror. It's not dramatic yet, but it's there. Week 4 to 6. People notice. They ask if you got Botox. You didn't. Your skin is just actually repairing itself. Deeper wrinkles are shallower. Your face has structure again. Expression lines? Fading. And week 8 to 12. This is when the real transformation shows not plumping, actual collagen rebuilding. Skin thickness increases, elasticity improves. You look years younger. And here's the thing, it doesn't stop. It keeps improving as long as you use it. Organic castor oil, cold-pressed, hexane-free, dark bottle. This matters. Cheap castor oil has chemicals that block absorption. Buy the right one, usually around $8. Every single night, 2 drops on your fingertips. Warm it between your hands, gently press it into your face. Focus on the areas with wrinkles, forehead, between brows, around eyes, nasolabial folds. That's it. 2 drops, 1 oil, every night. Minimum 6 weeks. Why consistency matters. Most people fail because they do this for 2 weeks, don't see dramatic results, and quit. Collagen doesn't rebuild in 2 weeks. It takes 6. If you can't commit to 6 weeks, don't start, because stopping early ruins the process. What separates success from failure? Low-quality oil. It's oxidized, rancid. Doesn't penetrate. Doesn't work. Too much oil. You're not trying to moisturize like a cream. 2 drops is enough. Using it during the day, oils plus sun equals oxidative damage night only, always. Quitting too early, most people give up at week 3. That's exactly when the real work starts. Why this beats Botox. Botox paralyzes your face, costs $300, lasts 4 months, makes your problem worse over time, requires needles, carries infection risk, addiction model. Castor Oil the solution. Rebuilds your skin, costs $8, works forever as long as you use it, improves over time, zero risk, zero pain, permanent investment in your actual skin health. The math. 1 bottle of castor oil lasts 3 months. That's $8 every 3 months, $26 a year. Botox is $1,500 a year, over 5 years, $130 in oils versus $7,500 in Botox. Plus, your skin is actually healthier instead of being dependent on paralysis. Why dermatologists hate this? A dermatologist makes $300 per Botox appointment, 5 to 10 appointments a day. That's $1,500 to $3,000 daily per doctor. Multiply that by hundreds of thousands of dermatologists worldwide. Billions in revenue. If everyone used castor oil instead, the industry collapses. That's the reason. They don't research it. They don't recommend it. They don't talk about it. Because a healthy face that doesn't need Botox is a lost customer forever. You have a choice. Pay $300 every 4 months to paralyze your face and make it worse over time, or spend $8 once and actually rebuild it permanently. Like, subscribe and comment below. Are you switching from Botox to castor oil, or are you trying this instead of ever getting Botox? The beauty industry needs you broken. I'm telling you how to fix yourself. Stay healthy.